What's up, everyone? So this is part 3 of the video. Today I'm hoping to get the door done and put up the final 2 supporting beams. Basically it's going to be the door frame or door jamb. We also lost 3 birds today, 1 A&M and 2 pharaohs. The little rickety makeshift cage that we had had an opening in it and some birds escaped. I was able to round up a few of them, but a hawk, the hawk that we have a nest around here, and pretty sure that it ate 3 of the birds because it was sitting there perched waiting. And you know, part of life, it happens, but all the more important that I've got to get this aviary fixed up and ready to go. So just gotten off work. It's late and it's getting dark and it's cloudy, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and get to it. And to give you an idea of what we're gonna have here, we got our 1-inch PVC, we got our 1.25 PVC. We're just gonna have it like that. This way the door can turn and slide. There's not a lot of play there. I'm using some 1-inch number 8 screws, just a multi-purpose construction screw. Okay everyone, I think I've settled on a hinge. The back-to-back hinge where you glue just wasn't working, wasn't strong enough. I can see where that application would be good in certain low-use applications, but for this, there's just not enough surface area. And so one of the things I thought about doing was screwing this side in, doing like this, and screwing that side in, but I just didn't like the way that looked. I thought it looked kind of trashy with it cut open like that. You know, maybe if you had if I put it on the fence and maybe rip just a corner of it off, you know, maybe it'd be alright. I don't know. I didn't like the look of it. But what I have decided to do is go with kind of a flush mount. So I've got the 1.25 I've got the 1.25 here, and then I've got my 1 inch here, and you see it slides in and out. And the way that I'm doing that is I'm using a 7/16 to make my initial hole, and once I get through, then I'm using a number 6 countersink bit to go through here so that I can keep the head just below the plastic or the PVC lip here, and still have enough to bite into. In addition to that, I'm also going to go ahead and glue this section to the existing pipe. May be kind of difficult to get started, so I'll probably pre-drill everything, glue, then punch through with some screws. That's probably the best bet. But I think this combination is going to be best for making hinges for the door. This section is 37 5/8. Starting to rain. Looky there. Okay, everyone. This is all I can do for today. I've got the door in, and I've got the frame standing. And hopefully tomorrow's supposed to rain. As you can see, it's already raining. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to put the roof on and put up the chicken wire.